Your mind, it doesn't always tell the truth. In fact, it lies. A lot. Not because it's broken, but because it's trying to protect you. See, your brain's job isn't to make you successful. It's to keep you safe. That's its top priority. Safety first, growth later. So the moment something feels uncertain, or risky, or just uncomfortable, your mind steps in like a protective parent and says things like, "You're not ready. This isn't the right time. What if you fail? People will judge you." Let's just think about it a little longer. Sound familiar? It sounds reasonable. It feels protective, but it's a trap. Because most of the time, those thoughts aren't facts. They're just fears, disguised as logic. Let me explain it to you. Ever had this happen? You avoid a conversation for weeks. You keep playing it in your head. You imagine the worst. Awkward silence, tension, drama. Then you finally say what you need to say. And it goes fine, even better than expected. Or you delay launching something, your business, your idea, your art, because your brain keeps whispering, "It's not perfect. You'll look stupid. You're not good enough." But then one day, you just do it. You hit publish. You send the email. You put it out there. And what happens? Nobody attacks you. Nobody laughs. You actually feel proud, relieved. And that's when it hits you. The biggest obstacles weren't outside you. They were inside. Your thoughts made it feel bigger than it was. Your brain exaggerated the risk and completely underestimated your ability to handle it. And it does this all the time. It says, "Stay quiet," when you should speak up. It says, "Wait," when you should take the shot. It says, "What if it all goes wrong?" but rarely asks, "What if it works out better than you imagined?" So, what do you do with all of this? You shift the way you relate to your thoughts. You stop treating every single one like a command. You start treating them like suggestions. And some of those suggestions, you respectfully decline. Here's the move. You pause. You breathe. And you ask, is this thought true? Is this fear? Or is it fact? Is this keeping me safe or keeping me stuck? And most importantly, what's the best thing that could happen if I took action anyway? Because when you stop believing every fear-based thought, you take back control. You step into your power. You show up, even if your voice shakes. You try things that scare you. You take messy, imperfect action. And that's not recklessness. That's courage. And here's the best part. The more you do it, the quieter the noise becomes. Your brain adapts. It updates its programming. It sees, oh, nothing bad happened when we tried something new. Good to know. You build evidence. You build trust with yourself. And slowly, those old lies lose their grip. You stop shrinking. You start expanding. Because here's the truth. You're not here to live a small, safe life. You're not here to let fear run the show. You're here to grow, to try, to fail, to learn, to rise, to win. And it all starts by not believing every lie your mind tells you. Subscribe for more bold videos.